British Bulldog here, and so on. Oh, my dogs are so annoying. I'm gonna shoot my dog. That's one of them. See, that's one of them right there. He's ugly. And there's one. Right there. Under the couch. Come on, Linda. Yes. She really don't bite that much. She really doesn't. Okay, I am outside right now. Okay. What the heck is that birds? That's birds. Bird died. Oh yeah, that's the bird I buried. That's a house that somebody's trying to move into, I guess. It's for sale, I'm guessing, or for rent. My dad's at work right now. He won't come home until like 3, 4, 5, 6 o'clock. Let's play with this. Lolly, all the body. The body is like gone. Wow. I am shocked. Having bird feathers. Yeah, it's hot out here. I'm going to this. There's one of them. Alright, thank you guys for watching. That's my, sorry about that. That is my, oh, what was it? Oh, yeah. That was my annoying dog. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.